Hello everyone, thanks for coming back. I'm not making anything particularly in this video. I just wanted to let you know where I am. I'm here. Or where I've been. More on that in a minute. Hello again. Right, as you're probably aware, in fact you're definitely aware, there's been no videos for the last couple of weeks. There's a reason for that. Thought I'd just bring you up today and let you know where things are. Fortunately for me, I've now got a new job. Unfortunately for you, it means the videos won't be as often or as regular as they have been while I've been off or on furlough. There are still lots of projects yet to be finished and a lot I want to do. I will, however, give you a little sneak peek as to what's to come in a minute. Meanwhile, I have noticed, to my delight, I have to say, that the subscriber count is going up slowly. That's amazing. Thank you all. So if you are new here, welcome. You're very welcome. And thank you for subscribing. And for those who have been with me since the beginning, thank you for staying with me. You are my subscribers, I believe, and the whole of YouTube are the most loyal to me because they just wait and they're very patient. I am so grateful for that. Some of you know we are on a more conversational term than others, but if you've got any ideas or things you'd like to see me do or improve, maybe, possibly, I can't promise, remake something of a better design, please don't pick Thunderbird 4. So anyway, there are little bits I've been doing, which I can leave going. I can use the 3D printer a bit more. So here's a little sneak preview of something that's coming soon.
International rescue from Thunderbird 1. Changing to horizontal flight. The automatic camera detector. Someone's photographing the ship.
So there you go. Oh, there you are. Where was I? Oh yeah, so there you go. That gives you an idea of what's to come. Now, obviously it's going to take longer because I'm working, and unfortunately I work in retail. Unfortunately, I say, I'm not complaining. But we do late nights. By the time I get home, it's gone 8:30 at night, 8:45. So once you've showered, got yourself ready and so forth, it's not really time to start making stuff. I want to make it right for you. So anyway, you've seen a little preview of what's to come. You've obviously worked it out. Those of you that are sharp, I guess that's all of you. Can I just go in dark and make it look like I've got a suntan? I haven't. It's a shame. Hey. So there we are. So that's coming. I will try and remember to film everything as I'm going on. There's no point in watching it print because it's a resin print and it takes forever. And you don't see much because it's in the vat of liquid. So, but you will see the progress if I start piecing it together, painting it and so forth. In the meanwhile, I really do appreciate, as I've said, thank you to all my new subscribers, as I've said, and thank you to all those who stayed with me, as I've also said. So until next time, take care.